In this video, I'm going to show you how to use commas in your writing. So today we're going to use commas to separate items in a list. So commas come between the different items that appear in our list. And when it comes to the final item, so the last item on your list, instead of putting a comma, we will replace the comma with the word and. So it's easier for me to show you, and then we can get an idea for this. So I have here my shopping list. So Miss Glenn has gone shopping, or at least Miss Glenn needs to go shopping, and there are plenty of items on my list. Now, if I weren't going to use commas, I might write 6 or 7 sentences to tell you what I need to buy at the shop. But instead, we're going to write one sentence and separate each item with a comma. So we need to introduce our sentence first. So we'll say Miss Glenn, capital letters because that is my name, went shopping and bought, and this is where we'll start with our items. So we'll say a bunch of bananas, and then comma to separate my items. Tea bags, comma, separate the items. A pint of milk, comma, lots of coffee, comma, some carrots for Winston. And you can add detail within this list. What's next? Dog food. Definitely for Winston, that does not taste nice. A cucumber. Some spring flowers. Right, we're coming to the last item on our list now, which is snacks. So instead of separating it with a comma to signify that we are at the end of our list, I'm going to put and, put plenty of snacks. Always need snacks. And then we finish off our sentence with a full stop. So we have a list. We've turned our shopping list into a sentence and we've separated the items with a comma. So if we read through this sentence now, Miss Glenn went shopping and bought a bunch of bananas, tea bags, a pint of milk, lots of coffee, some carrots for Winston, dog food, a cucumber, some spring flowers and plenty of snacks. Okay, so we have one sentence, plenty of items. We've separated the items of our shopping list using commas. And just remember, when it comes to the final item on that list, you need to use the word and instead of a comma. So why don't you go write your own shopping list, have a go at turning it into a sentence using commas.